Today in Living Healthy, with allergy season upon us, it's not uncommon for individuals to have difficulties or concerns regarding their breathing. Thankfully, there's a place that specializes in helping you to treat any issues you may have with your lungs. We recently visited with the experts at Prima CARE's Pulmonary and Critical Care Division to learn more. If you're concerned that you may not be breathing properly or that you could be suffering from allergies, you'll want to be on the lookout for certain symptoms.
While many people can just have allergies, many people with allergies can also have asthma. And so symptoms that you'd want to be thinking about are coughing, can sometimes be the only symptom, shortness of breath, wheezing, which is musical sounds from the lungs, are some of the big ones that can suggest that you're having an asthma flare with your allergies.
There are other causes for breathing troubles as well.
Sometimes the lungs are the primary cause. It can be due to problems with inflammation in the airways, like we see with asthma, or in patients who have COPD. Other things can also cause problems with your breathing. Heart disease, vascular disease, sometimes just deconditioning.
At Prima CARE, they can help to alleviate your issues.
If you have problems with shortness of breath, we have a clinic here at Prima CARE Pulmonary now geared at evaluating you and doing the testing and getting a history so that we can guide you down the appropriate pathway to get your breathing better.
Their techniques are efficient, and they want to help you avoid a hospital stay.
One of the things that we are doing is the shortness of breath clinic. We also now have a COPD clinic geared at our patients who have lung disease primarily from smoking, but COPD, so that we can, if they're having problems with their breathing, we can get them in quickly to be seen to try to avoid a hospitalization.
Their tactics ensure you're being cared for correctly.
We do allergy testing for our patients so that we can help get them appropriately treated for those. The United States Preventative Task Force Services has now come out recommending lung cancer screening for patients at risk. And we have a program here now at Prima CARE to make sure that appropriate patients are tested and treated accordingly.
And they possess the most current technology to properly diagnose your issues.
We are proud here to offer some of the most highly advanced diagnostic technology that's currently available. And we can go into the lungs and see things that are outside the airway. Just like you see a baby or your heart with ultrasound, we can see these things outside the airway and do biopsies under direct visualization.
It's kind of like a GPS system, but for your lungs, all designed to meet your breathing needs.
We can use this technology to navigate to that nodule and biopsy. It's similar almost to a GPS system. It guides the bronchoscope and our tools down there to do the biopsies so that patients can avoid surgeries.
At Prima CARE's Pulmonary and Critical Care Division, they see patients with all kinds of respiratory problems. They are there to help and can put you on the path to better health. The folks at Prima CARE Pulmonary are doing some incredible work, and they can certainly help you with your respiratory needs. For more information on this topic, just visit our website. It's the Roadshow page at WPRI.com.